Something just punched through the sun's outer atmosphere and is now hurtling toward the planets. A cloud of magnetized plasma, bigger than Earth, moving at 605 kilometers every single second. What you're looking at isn't the sun itself. That's hidden behind the dark circle in the middle, blocked on purpose so the camera isn't blinded. But something launched from the sun's surface on August 17th and left a mark the whole corona felt. The question is, where did it go and how hard will it hit? Here in the upper right, that bright, almost violent diagonal streak cutting across the frame, that's what happens when a blast of solar plasma slams through the coronagraph's field of view fast enough to saturate the detector. The dark, pixelated noise running along its edge isn't a glitch exactly. It's the camera struggling to process something that bright moving that quickly. The source location was tagged as in 12W65, 12 degrees north, 65 degrees west on the sun's face. That puts it on the sun's western limb, tilted slightly away from Earth. A half angle of 15 degrees means this wasn't a wide, diffuse cloud. It was narrow, more like a directed jet than a bubble. Over here on the right side, the corona looks almost calm by comparison. Soft, fanning streamers that have been sitting there for days, shaped by the sun's magnetic field, the way iron filings follow a bar magnet. These structures are the baseline. They're what the sun looks like when nothing dramatic is happening. 605 kilometers per second sounds abstract, so try this. At that speed, you'd cross the entire United States in about 5 seconds. The average CME takes 1 to 3 days to reach Earth. This one, given its angle, may clip the planet's magnetic field or sail past entirely. Analysts were still working that out at the time of this frame. A coronagraph exists for one reason: to see what the sun is trying to hide from us in plain daylight. And what it caught here was the sun exhaling violently in one direction at a speed that compresses the space between worlds into something that feels almost reachable. The unsettling part isn't that this happens. It's that it happens regularly, and we only started watching closely enough to track it a few decades ago. How many of these passed by before anyone noticed? We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data throws at us next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.